Are you a single parent looking to escape the monotony of boring holidays? Would you like to make new friends and forge a new connection with your child? At East India Travel, we've designed the perfect parent-child trip called Bonds and Beyond. Visit Kaziranga and watch the one-horned rhino. Stay inside a tea estate that's a little luxurious but also offbeat. Or visit a tiny spot of heaven in Arunachal Pradesh and discover a whole new world. A tribe with its own language and culture, a river that you get to go river rafting on. Or go to Wayanad and stay in a hotel surrounded by paddy fields. Visit Mysore and have a safari thrown in too. Or step back in time and explore Bapu's Sabarmati Ashram and stand in awe before the colossal Statue of Unity. Bonfires, great food, comfortable stays and activities. We've curated the perfect getaways because you and your child deserve this break. Are you ready to make magical memories with us? Book now.